Hello everyone. The second example you will learn now in this video, it is about circumcircle. Question is to draw triangle DEF. The length of DE is given 4.2. So in the beginning I am going to show you 4.2 centimeter segment. This is 0 and the 4.2. Here I made a mark. Let me draw a segment DE of length 4.2. This is DE of length 4.2 centimeter. After I draw a segment DE of length 4.2 centimeter, now angle D of measure 60 degree we are going to show. So this is D point on the left side. From the right side 60 degree will be here, and I will draw a straight line which will join D and the 60 degree mark. Straight line I have drawn from D point. Now I am going to draw an angle E of measure 70 degree. 60 degree I have completed. Let me draw angle E of measure 70 degree. E point is on the right side, left side 70 degree is here. So this is 70 degree and the E point, we are going to join them by a straight line. This is a 70 degree angle. We get our triangle DEF as the two lines are intersecting together. Triangle DEF construction is completed. Now the further work is to draw circumcircle. For this purpose, you will keep the compass on E point, more than half between E and D. Draw the arc, the first and now the second arc from D point. You will cut these two arcs of E point. The first perpendicular bisector is ready now. By joining the point of intersection of the two arcs. So this is the point of intersection. Let us show the symbol of perpendicular bisector. Now I will show you second perpendicular bisector of E point and the F point. I can take more than half distance. Two arcs are drawn, one on the right, another on the left. Now from F point I'll cut these two arcs. These two arcs are intersected. After I intersect the two arcs, I'll join the point of intersection. These 2 points of intersection will be joined. We get the second perpendicular bisector. This is the second perpendicular bisector, and the two perpendicular bisectors are intersecting at a point. You can observe this is the point of intersection known as circumcenter. From this circumcenter I will draw a triangle which will pass from F point. You can see a circle from F point and D point and the E point. All the three corners, all the three vertices, the circle passes through. This is known as circumcircle.